Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth product insights. Today, we're taking a close look at the best soundbar with wireless subwoofer, the Polk Audio Signa S2. If you're ready to transform your TV audio experience without breaking the bank, this is the one to watch. Let's start with design. The Signa S2 features an ultra-slim profile, just over 2 inches in height. That means no awkward blocking of your TV's IR sensor or bottom edge, and it fits perfectly whether mounted or resting on your entertainment center. It's simple, sleek, and discreet, exactly what you want from a modern soundbar. Under the hood, it packs 5 powerful full-range drivers that produce immersive, room-filling sound. Whether you're watching action-packed blockbusters or quiet dramas, the audio is clear, dynamic, and rich, and that's not just marketing talk. The Polk Signa S2 supports Dolby Digital decoding and includes Polk's exclusive Voice Adjust technology. This is a game-changer for dialogue clarity. Voice Adjust fixes that, letting you boost voice levels without raising overall volume. And it's adjustable at 3 levels depending on your preference. Now, let's talk bass. The included wireless subwoofer delivers deep, punchy lows that enhance everything from movie explosions to EDM beats. And yes, it's wireless. Just plug it into a power source, and it automatically pairs with the soundbar. No cables running across your room, no pairing headaches. Setting it up is incredibly easy. Included in the box are HDMI and optical cables, so you can get started in minutes. The HDMI ARC connection means you can control the volume directly through your TV remote. No juggling multiple remotes. It also supports 3.5mm aux input for older devices. Music lovers, you're covered too. The Signa S2 includes built-in Bluetooth. Stream directly from your phone or tablet using Spotify, Pandora, or your favorite app. No Wi-Fi required, no additional app installations. The soundbar automatically switches inputs based on your connected device, making it simple and seamless to switch from movie night to a party playlist. When compared with other soundbars in this price range, the Signa S2 stands tall. It delivers the kind of performance you'd expect from higher-end systems, but at a fraction of the price. It's compatible with 4K and HD TVs, and while it doesn't support Dolby Atmos, for a 2.1-channel system, it still offers an enveloping sound experience. So if you're looking for a premium audio upgrade that's affordable, powerful, and unbelievably easy to use, the Polk Audio Signa S2 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know. We'll see you in the next review.